You are all aware. Today we will share QuickBooks Online Advanced Accounting options including revenue recognitions, fixed assets. Revenue recognitions. Click on revenue recognitions. So revenue options, fixed asset options. First, we say revenue options. Here, some stored shares, say reports. Say reports, manage sitting, news titles. Say reports on. Left side you can say report periods, drop downs, this month to date, this quarter to date, this year. Actually we can we set up the period for this reports. Here is the filters. We create a group by this export or print. Here's recognition date, recognition status, production service, customers, transaction type, date, billed amount, recognition status. Here's back. Now we say fixed assets. How to set up fixed assets? To fixed asset includes multiple fixed asset, single assets. Asset name, if class, descriptions, fastest price, fastest date, depreciation trusted, depreciation method, useful life, straight line. Here accounts details, account asset account, accumulated depreciation account, accumulated depreciations expense account. This is here is main options. Account name, this is very important. Depreciation start date, depreciation methods, purchase, this is main account, asset accounts and depreciation account. This is very important. So then saves or separate drafts. Then how multiple assets, click on multiple assets. Here this experts, asset name, class, durations, then import CSV file, download template. Here this for accountants, this defaults. Here the multiple assets, import, then save, then upload voucher, next, here, next, then saves option. So today next class bank reconciliations. So you subscribe my channels more